good morning. Hi, honey. That is the spot. He's a good boy. It's pretty rare to touch a bull, especially like that. That's why we like Shorthorns.